have recently launched a new product in my skincare brand and I wanted to send the new launch product offer to all my customers whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So now here manually sending WhatsApp messages to each and every customer is going to take me a lot of time. And creating a WhatsApp group for these customers is very unprofessional. So now I automatically send the WhatsApp message to all these customers in just one click using a WhatsApp broadcast technique via Pabbly Chatflow, which is all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform. So now here in this video, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this WhatsApp broadcast for your business too. So to begin with the process, you need to start searching for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see some options. If you're a new user, click on sign up for free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. If you want a demo, use this demo option, or else if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I've got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. You just need to type ROMYT in the coupon section and you are going to get an exclusive discount. For your reference, I've also attached this coupon code in the left side corner of this video so that you can access it anytime till the end of this tutorial. Also here I wanted to make you sure that using this discount coupon code is going to get you a heavy discount on the purchase of any Pabbly subscription. Alright, so now here after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here you need to access Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on the access now and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can see I've already connected a WhatsApp number inside my Chatflow account. So to learn how to connect yours, you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Not only this, let me tell you that it offers some amazing features that are available over here in the left side bar. So if you wish to learn about any of the feature in detail, then you can watch out the tutorial available on a YouTube channel or in the description box below. Okay, so as you know that we are going to learn how you can set up a broadcast message for your business. So here we are going to access the feature of broadcast over here. But before that, let me tell you that I have created a message template using which I'm going to send the WhatsApp message. So here I've created a template inside Pabbly Chatflow only. If you wish to send a regular type of message, then you can send that too. But to learn about that process in detail, you need to stay with me till the end of this tutorial. Alright, so now here let me firstly show you the template. Under this template section, here you can see the total number of approved, pending, draft and rejected templates. Here I already have a template with the name Beauty Product Launch Offer. So this is the template and here I've attached an image with my message as well. So now here you can see my template is approved by Meta. That means I can use this template to send the bulk WhatsApp messages. Also, if you want to learn this template creation process in detail, you can watch out the tutorial available on our YouTube channel for the same. Once you have a template, move to its broadcast section and under broadcast you can see the total number of broadcast, number of live sent and scheduled broadcast. To create a new one, click on this add broadcast button and here it will direct you to the WhatsApp broadcast section. Firstly, select the type as broadcast campaign and then give a name as per your requirement. Moving forward, then it is asking us to select the contact list. So I need to select the contact list to whom I want to send this WhatsApp broadcast. And as I've already mentioned that I'm going to send this message to all these contacts whose data I have in this Google Sheet. So now here in order to send the WhatsApp message to these contacts, I need to add them inside my Chatflow account first. For that, let me access this contact section. And under contact section in the left side, you can have a preview of existing list. To create a new one, click on this add contact button. If you want to add single contact, add the details over here, and to add in bulk, select this option. Here you need to upload a CSV file for the same. But as you know that I have data in Google Sheets, that means I need to download this data in a CSV file first. Once you have a CSV file, upload the same over here, click on this add contact button and bulk contacts will be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. And then you can create a separate contact list for the same. For now, I'm going to use an existing list that I already have. You can select multiple lists as well. Then comes the refine audience option. So using this option, you can exclude the contacts to whom you don't want to send this broadcast message. You can exclude the contact list or you can exclude some specific contacts from the list that you have selected over here. Also, you can exclude the contacts with whom you are having an active 24-hour conversation window. Alright, then comes the message type. You can see two methods. First is pre-approved template message and the another one is regular message. If you want to send a regular one, select this option, select the message type from the drop down, and if you're going to write a message over here, you can have a preview for the same in the right side. For now, I'm going to use a pre-approved template message. So let me select my template. So this is my template, and here we are going to upload an image for our template. So this is the image. Also, you can make this template more personalized by adding variables. For now, I've used the generic one. Then click on this done button and you can see the template has been selected over here. Then it is asking us to test our broadcast message. So before sending it to the wider audience, you can send it on your WhatsApp number to test this broadcast. For that, I'm going to add my username over here and my number. Then we're going to click on the send test message, and it says test broadcast sent. So let's go and check our WhatsApp, and here you can see we have received an instant message over here with the same image and the template. So with this, we have successfully tested our broadcast. Then it is asking us to schedule the broadcast. If you want to send instant message, select no, and to schedule it for the later, select yes. Here you need to select a particular date and time. While selecting this date and time, make sure you're selecting a future date and time. If you have selected past date and time, that is going to send instant message to all your contacts. Click on this add broadcast button and you can see a new broadcast has been scheduled over here. Once the broadcast is sent, you can view the stats for the send, delivered, read, pending, ignored, and failed. Also, you can resend your broadcast message to all your valid failed contacts by selecting the resend option available over here. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to send WhatsApp messages to multiple contacts in one click. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then do use my special discount code, which is ROMYT. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any pricing plan related issue, then you can visit us on this link. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. And for your reference, we have attached these links in the description box as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.